What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this really powerful tool called Zapper.fi. And basically what it does is it will show you all of the information within a person's wallet, including what they're farming, what tokens they're holding, the NFTs, and of course like their trading history as well. And the cool thing is that it will show this for all the networks that they're using. All right, so basically what I'm going to show you is this guy's wallet. His name is matchyBigBrother.eth. You can look him up on OpenSea by typing that in. But basically, I got his wallet address and I pasted it right here. My face is covering it. But right here, you can paste in the wallet address and it'll pull it up. Or you can also paste in an ENS domain and it'll populate as well. So basically what we're going to do is I'm just going to go through what his wallet is holding, and I'm going to show you how to read this information. So his total net worth is $32 million worth of crypto. Now, if we click this button here, it's going to show us all the networks he's on. So he's got 32 million on Ethereum, 22,000 on Polygon, 66 bucks on Binance Smart Chain. And we can see the protocols here as well. So this guy has $18 million worth of squid, which I think is like another version of Wonderland time, if I'm not mistaken. So he's got 18 million in squid. He's got $22,000 in savings on Cream Finance. So that's like 5 Ethereum sitting there and 11 cents worth of MTA. He's also farming. So he's got $2 million worth of Cream tokens. Just a bunch of Cream tokens. 1 million, 2.3 million, 1.4 million. So about 5 million in total worth of Cream tokens. He has available to claim from the farmed earnings. He can claim $3 million just sitting there waiting to get claimed. He's got $1,000 worth of debt, probably from Polygon, from borrowing on Aave probably, or Cream. He's borrowed on Cream Finance. And yeah, that's kind of what's in his wallet. We can look on the Ethereum side of things. We can see he has $3.4 million worth of dog token, which I'm not sure what that is. He has 175 ETH worth $807,000, $1,000 worth of USDC, and then a bunch of like other stuff, smaller coins. So yeah, and then his vault, I showed you guys that already. So he's got a pretty consolidated portfolio in a lot of money in a few coins. And then we can look here, click on NFTs, and it'll show us his NFT portfolio as well, which isn't even included. So this guy has $26 million worth of NFTs and $31 million worth of like crypto coins. And then so his NFT collection includes some Bored Apes. He's got 51 Bored Apes, 82 Mutant Apes, 6 Squid DAO, whatever that is. 35 Tom Sachs Rocket Factory NFTs, and the list goes on. So what I can do is I can just copy this. We can pull it up on OpenSea. Like I said, we can just paste that in, and it should pull up. Or you can just paste it in here in the URL directly, and it'll also pull up. And then now, because we've got his OpenSea profile and we've seen his entire wallet activity, we can actually go to his Instagram, we can go to his Twitter, and then we can see who this guy is. So he's a verified musician, I think. It seems like probably some DJ. So there's his Twitter. It's his profile picture. You can DM him. And yeah, so this just shows you like, I'm going to look into Squid DAO, by the way, after watching this. That just shows you like how transparent the blockchain is, and also like how you have to be careful about what you're tweeting about and showing on the internet. Because by the same logic, you can also reverse engineer this, right? So if this guy tweeted that, he owns this NFT right here, this like mutated ape, what someone else could do is they could just go on something like Rarity Tools. They can search up that exact ape, and then it's going to show you the wallet that's associated with that ape. And then you could do the same stuff, right? You can track a person's wallet and look at their entire portfolio. And that kind of puts you at risk of being like a target for hackers, especially if you have a lot of money, and especially if it's all sitting in a MetaMask account. Like this is all probably just sitting on his MetaMask on his laptop. Which, if I had this much money, I would not be doing that. I would have it like on a ledger or a hardware wallet. But yeah, that just puts you more at risk because it's a wallet that's connected to the internet. So when you have that much money, you definitely should have a hardware wallet by that point. So that's one example of what this tool can do. Again, this is Zapper.fi, and it shows you an entire person's portfolio. Let's take a look at this other person's wallet here. This guy named No New Friends. You can see his Twitter as well. This guy's kind of like a ghost. He's not active on here. And let's take a look at his wallet. So this guy's got $12,000 worth of coins. He's got 1.7K in his wallet, so like 13 Avalanche tokens. He's got some Time token in there. He's probably staking it. And yeah, he's got $10,000 worth of Wonderland token memo, so he's got 1.3 Wonderland in there as well. And then we can click on NFTs, and again, it'll show us his entire NFT portfolio, which is worth $500,000. So he's got one Bored Ape, 2 Mechas, 2 Mutant Apes, and the list goes on. And then we can just pull up his OpenSea as well. We can go through the collected section, and it's going to show us all of his NFTs here. So he's got a Bored Ape here, Mutant Ape here, Mutant Ape here. Really cool mecha as well. And yeah, and he also owns this ENS domain. So play around with this tool. It's pretty powerful. You can use it for your own wallet if you want to keep track of your own farms and staking kind of stuff. Or you can just track someone else's wallet. You can just literally paste in the wallet address, or if you know their ENS domain, you could just put in like bob.eth, and whoever owns that is actually going to be their wallet's going to be visible. But we can look up this guy chrisfarley.eth, and sometimes they're just squatting on these domain names so that they can sell them for a profit, but other times there's actually some activity going on in the wallets. So hopefully you found this video helpful. This is a really powerful tool to keep track of your entire portfolio. You can check it every day. It pretty much updates with the market as the prices fluctuate of your coins, so will your portfolio. But yeah, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, y'all. Peace.